Hi, my name's Jacinta from 3 Monkeys Audio Visual, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the background on your Whiteboard app on your EduTouch panel. So firstly, we will click on the Whiteboard app, and now we're in it, and the background is currently black, so let's change that one to be, say, white. So you'll go over to your menu here. I'll just click off there. We'll click your menu, and you can click exit or share the other options there. Now we want to click the background. Here are all your range of colours that you can change it to. So if you want to do a green, a purple, for this case we'll just do a white. Then if you want that to be your default background, so every time you open the Whiteboard app, that's it. You can just set it to default there. Apart from colours, you can also change it to be a range of images. These are all default images within the Whiteboard app. So you could change it to be a few different graph sizes. You could have that one or smaller boxes there. Some other fun ones as well, some music notes. And then again, set it to default if that's what you want to open up to every single time. The other option is also customise. So what I've done today, I've downloaded an image of the built-in browser on your EduTouch panel. I've downloaded a weekly planner, so for Monday morning meetings, if you sit down, have a chat with your team, talk about the week and what is going on, this could be your default background. So you could click set to default. In this case we won't, so I'll just click off that. And then you would open that up. This could pop up every week. You could choose your pen colour, red, the size of it. I might want it a bit smaller. Say on Wednesday there's a team photo. You would put that in there. Any other things you want to discuss with your team, book in. Then you could save this image and send it out after your meeting so everyone knows what's going on. They could chuck it in their calendars. And yeah, so that's just how you change the background on your Whiteboard app on your EduTouch panel. Thanks.